As your team runs recipes, commits changes, and builds data tables and visualizations across a whole organization, it gets hard to keep track of everything that's happening. Did someone already run the recipe you were about to? Has a teammate committed that change? Did anyone already pull the data or chart you need? The Moderne Activity view answers all of those questions in one place. By bringing every recent recipe run, commit, and result across your organization into a single view, it creates a more collaborative experience, saves developers even more time, and gives engineering teams real visibility into what's happening across the org. And because everything lives in one place, you can build on what your teammates have already done. See a recipe someone else ran? You can commit the results yourself, or jump straight to a data table or visualization built from it, without having to rerun the recipe first. The view is a simple table. On the left, a branching graph links each recipe run to what came out of it. The colored dots mark the type of activity: purple for recipe run, blue for commits, and green for the results they generate. The connecting lines show you which output came from which run. Each row tells you the name of the activity, its type, the organization it ran in, its status, who ran it, and how long ago it started. Click any name to jump straight to that recipe run, commit, data table, or visualization. Let's talk through some specific examples you can see on this page. About an hour ago, someone ran a recipe to rename some secrets and then committed them. A bit after that, someone else ran a recipe for getting insights into the Maven dependencies and then generated a visualization of the different dependencies used. One important thing to call out is that the Activity View page shows all activity for sub-organizations as well as the selected organization. For instance, the Moderne organization has a variety of sub-orgs, such as Moderne plus OpenRewrite and recipes. On this page, we can see what happened in those organizations too. Save time, stay in sync, and get a clearer picture of what's happening across your org with the Moderne Activity View. Check out our documentation to learn more.